Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Good morning, student.
Good morning, teacher.
Please have a seat.
How are you, teacher?
I'm fine, thanks.
I'm also fine.
Okay, how's the family?
We're fine.
How is the studies going?
It's going very good.
Okay. Okay, so today I'll discuss you about level 1. Have you seen the level 1?
Yes.
It's open the book, level 1. If you have any question, you can ask me on level 1.
Teacher, I have a question. May I ask
Sure.
you?
Sure.
Teacher, how can I express, how can I say others? Time.
Time.
Yes.
What
How
time?
many ways of talking time, saying time?
Sit down. Sit down.
Actually.
There are 2 ways in take. One is classical and one is digital. Okay, classical is very easy, and this time is standard. It's the standard time. Okay, I'm telling you, if the time is 12, just 12, you have to say that it's 12 or 12 o'clock, but you don't need to say 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. Okay, you just say 12 a.m. If it is 12:10, what do you say? 12:10. 12 and 10. Okay. If it is 15, what is your, what do you say? If it's 12:50,
It's 12:15.
12:50. And if the time is 12:30, what do you say? What should you say? First of all, you can ask, what's the time? Repeat after me. What's the time?
Yeah.
Another way is that, what's the time by watch?
What's the
Time
time
by your
watch?
watch. But it is, not be smarter. The smartest thing is that, what's the time? If you want to ask. And if another person asks you this question, you may tell us by saying my way.
Teacher, I know other way of asking time is time, please. It will be more smarter.
Yes.
The other way of telling time, asking time is what's time, please? Time, please.
Yes, time please. Yes, this is another question. But time please, what's the time? Time I watch this 3 question. Same.
But in my side, I say every people time, place.
Yes, it's smarter.
Smart.
And time please, this is also smarter. Time please, what's the time? What's the time? That was still smart. You're intelligent. Not necessarily. Okay, now I will discuss. Do you have any question?
Yeah, I have another question. May I ask you?
Yes, of course.
I don't know accuracy.
Address.
Tell something.
Okay, let me sit down. Address. Actually, there are 4 types of addressing. See your book. 4 types of addressing. First of all, if you want to address king, queen, okay, princess, they are very high officials. You have to addressing them by your majesty. You get from me?
Your Majesty.
Your majesty. Use body language.
Your Majesty. Yeah.
Right? If you go British, in England, there is no president. Okay, there are queen, where they are Queen Elizabeth
I
II.
know that there is King Elizabeth II.
Queen,
Okay.
Queen, yes. Yeah, if you want to address him, so you have to say your majesty, not sir, not madam. You have to say your majesty. Yes, this is one. And the second thing is that this is for high commissioner. This is
High
official. High, you can say in the book, high officers. Okay, for high commission officers, you can use your excellency. What?
Your Excellency.
Your excellency. You tell me your
Excellency.
your excellency. Good.
It will be used for very high.
A very high official person.
Such example, please.
For example, this for commissioner, a big commissioner, ambassador, president, president. Still use for president. Yes, president. And for president, another thing you can use is the also using your honorable. Yes, I'm coming about that. And for the High Commissioner and for the high official people's wife, for their wife, you have to say your
Highness.
your highness. Yes, your highness.
I know that.
Yes, you know that. You're going to listen. I know that. Your highness. For the high commissioner, for the high officer, you can use your excellency, and the wife you have to say your highness. Three, and you have to say one thing. This is your honorable. Your honorable. Your honorable president, your honorable prime minister, okay, your honorable speaker, etc. This for the second. And for other one, other I mean,
Out of this all.
out of this all, you can use only one thing. This is sir. I mean that you can be your teacher. You'll be.
I am showing respect to my elders.
Yes, elders by saying sir. Okay, by just saying sir. Okay. This is first step, sir. What is the first step? The first step is your majesty, your excellency, your highness, and your honorable. For others, you can use sir. It's clear?
It's clear.
Yes. You have another question? You may ask. No.
No.
Okay. Now I'll show you how to say yes and how to say no. You know this?
Yeah, I know.
I know this. Okay. You need to know another things from level one.
No.
Don't need to know, but I think you have revised it. If I tell you about that, it will be helpful for you. So now, please listen carefully. How to say yes, how to say no. Okay. There are 5 types of yes. How many?
5 times.
First of all, yeah. Repeat after me. Yeah.
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 Sure.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Listen again. Yeah.
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 Sure.
Mm-hmm.
If I say, have you done your breakfast? How do you answer?
Yeah.
If I say again, it will be yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
But if I ask, I mean, your teacher will, if your teacher will ask this question, you may have to say yes or yeah. No. Okay.
If I say sure,
oh, no problem. Sure, not sure. You cannot use sure here. Okay, if I ask you, have you done your breakfast? Not sure, sure.
but you say that if you're my teacher, so if you ask me, so I can say sure in this case.
In this case, yes, you can sure, but it's not smarter. It's not very smarter.
What is smarter?
Yes, even if you want smarter, you have to say yeah or yeah. Very good. And how to say no? Again, there are 5 types of no. Same like yes. There are 5 types of no are no, no way. First is no way,
No way.
nah,
Nah.
no.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. But teacher,
Yes.
you say that in 2 cases, in yes or no. But what is the spelling of this 2?
Spelling is that M M M H and M M M M. Yeah, M M M M means and M M M H means and is saying that no. And U H H and U H H is mean no. Okay. Many students doesn't understand this method. I mean, you have to practice it. Okay, I would have practiced it to match this. Okay, you have to take it in this practice. And another thing is that you have to know that how to show interest. Okay, say English.
Yes, I know.
Okay, so may I ask you 2 questions?
Okay, sure.
How many skills there are in English?
Our teacher, there are 4 skills in English. They are listening.
Oh, wait. I don't ask you what are they. After asking what are they, you have to answer this. Okay?
Oh, sorry, teacher.
How many skills there are in English?
4 skills.
What are
They are listening, speaking, writing, reading and writing.
No, you have to say like that. For me. Listening skill, speaking skill, reading skill, writing skill. Okay. Say again. What are they?
Listening skill, speaking skill,
Speaking skill,
reading skill and
writing
writing
skill.
skill.
Yes, like this. Okay, you have to follow this way. Look at this now. Okay. Now I will show you. I will teach you about greetings, not greetings, special greetings. What's a special
You know
greetings?
that.
You know that. I think you have to revise it. Because your exam is very near. Your board is very near. Without revising, you can't achieve a good result. You can't achieve
So,
a good
teacher,
result.
if you ask me some questions, I will try to answer this.
Okay. So please start answering the question. How can we address a high commissioner?
What?
High commissioner, high commission officer, how can we address?
In greetings.
Yes, not greetings.
What?
Address. How can we
Address.
address? Okay, high
You are
commissioner.
saying that greetings. In the case of high commissioner, we should address by your excellency.
Your Excellency, yes. Yes, now. Okay, I have another question for you. The question is that if the time is 12:30 p.m. what are answer? So I think you will able to cover all this thing and you will revise all this thing, and I hope that you will complete all the lessons for tonight. That is the homework for you tomorrow's night is, please. Do you have any plan? Pen? Pen?
Oh, no, sir.
Do you need pen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please. Next pen. Yes, pen. Now what is that? You have to read first of all greetings. Please notice greetings. Greetings. Greetings, and then addressing,
Okay.
telling time,
Okay.
and the talk show. You have to attend the talk show tomorrow. And hey, don't talk. Please listen carefully. That it will be video. The talk show will be video. Okay, with the camera. It will be video. So please make preparation. And you may have 2 or 3 persons with you. And you may, talk with your friends to join your, talk show. And if you don't arrest this, you can call me. Then I will arrange this friend to join your talk show. But listen, the talk show will be not in this classroom. The talk show will be at the Chinese restaurant, or at the DC office, or at Southeast Bank or the National Bank. Anywhere, okay? And I know that you are very intelligent in this market. So I hope you will able to touch all these things for tomorrow. Okay? So no matter today, hope to see you next time. And please stay in this. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Goodbye, sir.